Here at Ugly Actions, we encourage you to take practical, measurable, and consistent steps towards achieving financial freedom and personal development. Don't sit back to analyze opportunities endlessly, and definitely don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time is a myth. The best time to act is usually now. A lot of people genuinely want to invest, but the challenge is always the same. Where will the money come from? How do I get the funds to begin? If you've ever asked these questions, you're not alone. I've been there too. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. Everything I say here are for information and entertainment. Always do your own research before acting on anything. Now, back to the main question. How exactly do you get the funds to start investing? Years ago, I struggled with the same thing. I thought investing was only for people who earn big salaries or who run big businesses. But after reading a certain book, which I will mention at the end, something clicked. I discovered simple secrets that changed everything. Number 1, start with whatever income you have. As long as you have a source of income, whether it's a job, a small business, a side hustle, or even contract work, you can get money to invest. You don't need a high income. You don't need millions. What you need is discipline. The secret is simple. Set aside a percentage of your gross income for investments every time without fail. The percentage can be anywhere between 10 and 50% depending on your situation. If you can go higher, fantastic. But whatever you do, don't go below 10%. Number 2, my income is too small. The common excuse. Anytime I say this, people tell me my income is too low, I can't save anything from it. But think about it for a moment. If you earn 50,000 naira a month and you've been surviving on it, you might as well survive on 45,000 naira a month. You'll be managing anyway. That's 5,000 naira. Just 10% can go straight into your investment fund. Is it comfortable? No. Is it possible? Absolutely. The truth is simple. If you want to invest, you always find a way. If you don't, you always find an excuse. Number 3, invest every windfall. Another powerful method people overlook is this. Anytime you get free money, unexpected money, or windfall, invest it. This is money you're already living without, so you won't feel any pain putting it to work. Most people use windfalls to buy something flashy or necessary, but that's how money slips away. Windfalls are the perfect opportunity to build momentum in your investment journey. Number 4, cut back on silent money drainers. Sometimes the money you need to invest is hidden in your lifestyle. Small expenses add up quickly. Cutting back a little on the following can release investment capital instantly. Daily snacks and impulse buys, data subscriptions you don't fully use, constant outings, unnecessary subscriptions, buying things just because they're on sale. You don't need to eliminate everything. Just reduce waste. The difference between surviving and investing is just often awareness. Number 5, understand that investing is a habit, not a one-time act. You don't raise money to invest by waiting for a big breakthrough. You raise money by building a habit, a system that runs smoothly and without negotiation. That percentage you set aside is not punishment. It is your ticket to freedom. It is proof that you're serious about your future. Number 6, a book that explains this perfectly. To fully understand the mindset behind this approach, I strongly recommend you read The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. It's simple, timeless, and life-changing. One idea from that book helped me transform how I handle money, and I believe it can help you too. In conclusion, you don't become an investor by waiting. You become an investor by starting small, staying consistent, and refusing to give excuses. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. That's it for today. See you next time, and remember to take ugly actions.